trade you home?
Sorry, wrong house.
Hey, get out of here.
Dad, we're locked down.
Oh, one sec.
Thanks, Dad.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.
This is the Ring Stick-Up Cam, a home monitoring camera that goes indoors, outdoors, even between doors, so you can see every corner of your home. Stay connected with motion alerts.
Why is Frankie out?
And speak to who's there with two-way talk.
Hey, Eddie.
Hey, Mrs. Dawson.
Power Stick-Up Cam however you want. Just plug it in, pop in a battery, or let the sun do the charging for you. And if your Ring alarm goes off, Stick-Up Cam can start recording automatically.
That's pretty smart.
It sure is.
So start protecting your home and family with the easy installing, home monitoring, indoor-outdoor Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
Introducing aosu, a smart video doorbell that makes sure you see and hear everything.
Hi.
5 megapixel Ultra HD video with wide dynamic range and direct video calling means you'll never miss a visitor. It's easy to install and can be used on any home, either wired or battery powered. Even when you're not at home, you'll know in real time when someone visits. And when you can't talk, use quick replies instead.
Please leave the package in front of the door. Thank you.
aosu uses the latest technology to know exactly when and where someone steps onto your property.
Hey, that's mine.
Sorry. Plus, it's handy when you don't feel like making conversation.
Sorry, we're not interested.
But if I could just...
Nope.
And you can access everything anytime via the aosu app. aosu stores everything locally, can handle extreme weather, works in the dark, and even connects with your smart assistant.
Hi, I go movies.
The aosu Video Doorbell. Never miss a visitor.